Do you rebuild the same Power BI basics every time you start a new project? I used to do the exact same thing. Then I built a reusable template, and now every project starts fast, clean, and instantly professional. All right, let's jump straight in. We're creating a full Power BI template from scratch. The theme, the core tables, the measures, the placeholders, and the entire page structure. By the end of this video, you'll have a template that makes every project consistent and way faster to deliver. First, we start with the foundation, the theme. A clean theme is everything. It controls your colors, your fonts, and the look of all your visuals. We are first extracting the JSON file from an existing theme and adapting its code to the desired color palette, which of course I will provide in the description. The modified file then needs to be imported in themes, and then we need to make some final twists for the text, fonts, and colors, the titles, default backgrounds, etc. Everything is set now, and we saved hours of formatting later. Now, every project needs a couple of essential tables. We'll start with a calendar table, which we'll use in every project as a date table. Whether you use Calendar Auto or a custom range, this is the backbone of every time intelligence calculation. This table then connects to every fact table in your model. We add all the common fields: year, quarter, month, day, week, and anything else needed for reporting. And of course, we need to remember to sort the month, quarter, and weekday column by their number columns. For example, we sort the month column by its month number column. Next, a tiny table for the refresh date, which we create in Power Query. Just one field, but incredibly useful. We'll bind it to the footer later so users always see when the data was last updated. Now let's jump into the core measures, the engine of your report. We start with the base measure placeholder, which we'll call metric base. Everything else will depend on this single measure. So when you build a real project, you change it once, and the whole report updates instantly. Next, we create the essential calculations: year to date, month to date, last year, last month, all tied to that base metric. We also add helpful calendar selectors, like selected year and selected month, which make dynamic titles and filters super clean. And then the time intelligence layer, comparisons versus last year, versus last month, and whatever else you need for trend analysis. These measures are the heart of your analytics, and building them into your template means you'll never waste time rewriting them again. Now, the header. This is the top bar that gives your report personality and structure. We create a wide rectangle shape for the header background. Soft corners, neutral color, clean and modern. Inside the header, we place the page title. Later, this can become a dynamic title, but for now, we just format it properly so every page starts aligned and consistent. A good header makes your report feel intentional from the first second. Next up, the footer. Just a small bar at the bottom, but super important. Here's where we display the last refresh date. We bind it to a measure that updates automatically. This simple footer gives users confidence. They always know when the data was last updated. Now let's add the slicer area, a vertical zone designed specifically for filters. We keep it narrow, clean, and perfectly aligned. We draw a horizontal section for KPIs, simple shapes that mark where our cards will go. This is like a landing zone for the most important numbers in the report. Clean spacing, consistent sizing, this saves so much rework later. Below the KPIs, we create the main visual zone, a large open area where the hero visual of the page will live. This is the heart of the report, the big chart, the matrix, the map, whatever tells the story best. Using shapes as placeholders forces consistency. Every page will feel aligned and intentional. Below the main area, we carve out the secondary visual space. Same idea, placeholder shapes that define layout, spacing, and hierarchy. By doing this now, every future report page will have the exact same structure. This template now has a professional theme, a header and a footer, and placeholders for your visuals, a calendar and refresh tables, and a fully organized measure folder. Perfect spacing, aligned visuals, consistent shapes. A layout that looks like a real consulting deliverable. This is everything you need to start any Power BI project instantly. And that's your complete Power BI template. You can reuse this for every future project, and your reports will instantly look cleaner, faster, and more professional. If you want more templates, layouts, and Power BI tricks, make sure to subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you want this template available for download. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.